Hi friends, this video shows how to restart TV using remote control. So I am going to restart this TV using this remote control. So this is a remote of this Samsung TV. So just press and hold this power button. Press and hold power button. Okay, done. Now we can release the button. See, this way we can easily restart Samsung TV using remote. See, done. So let me try one more time. Just press and hold power button, then release. Done. See. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.